Fantastic.
Right, I pressed the thingy. Sorry, I think I missed it. There we go.
Let's see how much of a pro gamer I can be from there.
Let's see. Let's see how much of a gamer you are, really.
How much gamer you are?
How much gamer there is in your gamer.
Scotch pie and
Screw
beans.
it.
Scotch fucking beans!
Scotch pie and beans. What are your plans for New Year's? Hey Ethan, don't run away from me.
No.
Oh shit, sorry.
God.
You got me anyway.
Oh. Scorpion, you are a gamer, I see.
Where
Right,
is
we
that?
need to jump
Oh, down.
down. Wait, let me
Hold on, I can hear someone bad down there.
Yeah.
Oh, thank.
My sensibilities are crazy on this game.
Boom.
Fuck!
Oh my god, you missed that.
I got
really.
you. And apparently it was Nick.
Oh, don't worry, we're gonna
wait.
get the Nick bot.
Hey,
We're gonna fucking kill him. Ah, shit.
We went to game mode for like 5 seconds.
Yeah, we had like a gamer synergy in there for a little bit, but oh well. Oh shit.
Bless
Oh
you.
shit. Oh shit. Watch this.
There's a menacing coach expression there. Oh, hey. Oh, did it? Back spitter.
Smoko jump scale.
Oh, there's a pipe bomb in your mailbox. Okay.
Well, I'll leave some of those kills for you. Okay.
Oh,
Tank.
Up here. Right, thank you.
Where the fuck am I supposed to go?
We gotta wait.
Right.
No, you see nothing, you see nothing.
Oh my god!
Charger.
Wow, this map is so fucking bad. Like I can't even leave out of here.
Where's... Oh, there.
No, we gotta leave. Oh, the
Tank
tank
behind us.
spawned on the wrong side. Ha!
Yeah, the tank spawned like inside, and it's locked in
Back
there.
here, bitch.
You
Wait,
guys stop
get
this.
back.
It's so fucking bad.
This is spawn camping. Stop.
Oh no, it's open. It's open. It's open. Tank's coming through.
I want you a bunch of cowards.
You're the coward behind the wall.
Wait, I don't have a firearms like you do.
You've got tank stuff.
Yeah, but not the actual tank.
Wow. Oh shit. Preempted.
Oh wait, did I
Got him.
did that kid that removed? Oops.
No, that was butane, but still.
Maybe they.
Hi. Sorry.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Get
I
him,
can crawl.
get him, boy.
Yeah, you can crawl.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
rather
on
see me
like some
crawl.
servers have that plugin. That
Oh my
lets you
god,
crawl
it's Jimmy
when you're
Gibbs
down.
is jibbing me.
Jibbing Gibbs Junioring you. Goddamn.
And this is how you be a pro gamer. No, you don't.
Uh-oh.
Oh wow, I missed.
Big bro, what you gonna
Wait,
do?
what?
What you gonna do?
How can I save myself?
I don't know.
Wait, what? Oh, you slimy bitch.
No, that's it. They got us.
Oh,
Oh, you slimy motherfucker.
Ah shit.
oh, charger shit!
Oh my god, Nick.
You gentlemen do yes that have to.
Looks like we are left for dead.
Haha.
We are indeed
Oh, no.
in the leaving of For the Dead is. Huh?
Turns out we have been left for dead.
It appears
Dead.
so.
But then
Dead.
Dead.
it's gonna be me. You guys, it's gonna be me
Dead.
and Erdamon who are gonna be left for dead next.
Yeah. What up?
25 ways on. Watch. Oh, I missed.
Okay, let's go.
And then you instantly walk back in because they're gonna show us. See?
Ah shit.
Yes,
Ah shit. I am not a gamer.
you are anti-gamer.
I am indeed. What the fuck?
And that's what it's all about.
Now that's what this is all about. I'll show you my best trick ever.
Oopsie.
Well, that's the way this map be doing. Also, this boomer just exploded.
They just do that. I mean, it's in their name.
In
Yeah.
that case, it's not an okay boomer.
Yep.
It's not okay, Boomer.
Grabbing a Molotov.
Scorpion, I need you to like not like sit in one place for like too long because then boss will like follow you and
Okay, got
will fall
you.
behind. Yeah. Like trust me, there really isn't that many sights to like admire on this map, even though it's the best map
It's
ever.
orange.
It's just orange, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I could, but not really that good of a spot here, I
I
guess.
can give you my my keys after all.
Ah, shit.
Ah shit. Oh no. Oh shit. Nick, what are you doing? Are you kidding me? Nick is not shooting. Nick, you.
Nick actually won't shoot. Like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Nick is currently writing "Wouldn't it be good too" in his head.
This on camera.
Are you going, Scorpion?
Yes, I'm gonna be.
You are there. Okay, it's just the bots that are behind. Okay. Okay, fuck them, I guess.
What?
I suppose.
Oh, there we go.
Fuck them bots.
Yo, fuck them bots.
Ah, shit, we need to wait for them to do the thing. Fuck. Ah, damn it.
Yeah, I could pipe
Oh.
with those trying times.
Okay, I am gonna heal Alice just in case.
There's a boom at the bar. Watch.
Yeah.
I have to give props because this map did take into account like versus mode for like traversing and shit.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's not called the best map ever for nothing.
Exactly.
Like they clearly thought about this map and then just didn't get around to finishing it.
Yeah, it's like they thought about it
Didn't
functionally.
finish it.
No, just check my entry.
Okay, no, it's perfect when it does not need improvements. inside.
No.
Oh, no.
No, I didn't meant to throw that. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ah!
Best of luck.
I threw on purpose a Molotov at my best friend. That's me anything.
We'll see if the tank goes after us or what.
I mean, it's kinda is a goal, so yeah. There he is. Yes!
There we go.
I'm gonna one
Ah!
on this.
Woo! Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck's sake, come on.
Come here, bro. Come here, bro.
Ah, fuck.
Oh, you killed me, Ethan.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah, there's friendly
Ah, well.
fire even among the infected.
Just a wee bit.
I
did
killed
alright.
not someone I should have killed.
Hyper bomb, move.
Ethan! Scorpion, why did you throw a pipe bomb at me?
That was
Why
funny.
did you keep throwing grenades at me and not like...
I did it for the vine. Oh no.
Scorpion, come
I
on.
did it for the vine.
Vine doesn't even exist anymore.
I did it for its jewelry, for the jewelry of the vine. Till the game did for it.
Yes, and I will.
Oh, come on, kill Alice.
Singular.
Hang on, let me get the
Okay, well,
present
Scorpion,
first.
you
There
know
we
what
go,
that
you
means.
can
We
kill me.
need to fucking push. Come on. Come on. Why are you just sitting in that corner?
Kill.
Sitting in this corner, I'm fighting for my goddamn.
Oh, you are there. Okay, cool. Sorry. I can't see shit.
Me neither.
There we go.
Ah shit.
Death.
Yep.
Yeah, but.
Oh my god.
They're also dying, so haha, that's a win for us.
Yep. Death.com /time.
Open it up and we can
Knock,
kill
knock, open up the door.
It's real.
Where where do we keep, like, closing this door?
I'm remaining careful, it's is so dark in here.
Yeah.
Okay. I tried to dodge it, that's a I can't even reach the gift. Never mind, big map is the worst map ever.
Really cute, gotta say.
Counter strike.
Counter-strike weapons.
Cunt strike.
Oh my god, of course it's the alarm one.
Oh, come here, boy. Come here, boy. I got a present for you. Boom!
Oh shit.
Free to be the one covered in the pupils.
Let it feel, huh?
How's that feel, wimp? Come on, make us both happy. Bonk!
Oh, yes, now already.
Out.
Holy shit. that's
Just
fast.
some awesome custom maps for us to add on our Steam group. Look for hashtag the company. Whoever suggested Big Watt to
Right.
them. Big props.
Big props to Big Watt.
Hello, Scorpion.
No, it's a fire gunfire outside my house.
There's a gunfire inside your house as well. You live in Big Watt. Fuck! Wait, what is this? Okay, that's just a loop. We go back around here. Okay. Oh, Scotch pie and beans,
You
yes.
just teleported.
My mark.
Never mind. You're too strong.
Yes, let's climb this 24 by 16 ladder. What you waiting for?
This.
Scorpion?
You know you're going
Is
the
this,
right way when you
is
find
this a witch I hear?
You know
This is a witch, yes.
You know you're going the right way when you find a chick in a bikini.
Yes.
Coach, what are you doing? You're gonna trigger one.
That's
Oh,
just
hey,
dead
hey,
or
hey.
alive logic. Oh, hello.
You can just stay on the... Yeah,
Oh.
they're just gonna die.
Nick, but you... What the fuck?
Fly, my pretties, fly.
I hate Hunter. I hate Hunter. Fuck this! I fell off the map again.
Yay. I put the
Scorpion,
ass
where
in
did
the
you go?
assist.
I'm stuck
For
on the
you-
Oh,
island.
you're still on the ladder. Okay,
That's
good.
good.
I thought you were like way ahead. Oh no.
We need to stop losing, Nick.
He got too terrified at Live Aid and now he's dead.
What happened at Live Aid?
He forgot the words to Wouldn't It Be Good, and you can see the fear in his eyes.
Oh yeah, that would be scary.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Brief moment of respite. Jockeys might throw us off. Oh! Or charge us.
No! No!
Oh no. Good. Charger block.
Oh shit.
You motherfucker.
Do you know what they call a French enjoyer of Japanese culture?
What?
A weeb.
Oh dear.
Ah no.
It's the...
No, don't you dare. Fuck.
You guys, I'm trying to say one yesterday before 2022, but it's still a Friday right now. It's Friday in California.
Today is
Aww.
California.
Shoot!
It's Friday.
As long as it's Friday in California.
Aww.